Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B investing in BI. It's been a little while. Took a little break. I've been hanging out. I've been watching, been looking at things. But we're back. Going to bring you some videos through the rest of the week here and over the weekend. And feels good to reconnect with you guys. So thank you for everybody that follows, subscribes, etc. And if you aren't, please hit the subscribe button. Share this video with friends that you think would be interested in actually learning about DeFi, learning about crypto and such. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to take a look at Indigo. So in the last video I talked about, it was kind of retracing. It was starting to head back down, and we were waiting for that all-time low area to pick up some more tokens. So let's go ahead first and take a look at our holdings right now. We've got 179.66 tokens staked. We voted in a governance vote so that we can continue earning rewards, and all the rewards aren't booming right now. I'm still earning way more ADA than I would by just staking ADA in a staking pool. And I know that for a fact. It just makes me really wonder, like, should I just start moving more ADA over into INDY when these lows happen? Or should I go 50-50 with it? I don't know. I'm not really sure. I want to earn more Teddy tokens, but that's for another video series. But we've got 4.78 ADA in about 2 epochs here. So let's see what we got as far as, so INDY rewards, 2.35 INDY tokens. And then let's take a look and see what we have. We have some in a stability pool for IUSD. And we've got 2.5 there. So we got about 5 INDY tokens, which is not bad for like 2 weeks. That's pretty impressive. I'm not going to lie. Man, that's not bad. I'm not even going to be mad about that. That's way more. I mean, those are dollars there. Like, I'm earning way more on Indigo than I am with Cardano. Just the general staking. The only problem is it's risky. Indigo is a smaller market cap. It's a project on Cardano. And likely if, things can happen, like Indigo is not foolproof. Anything can happen. They can get hacked. Cardano as a blockchain is less likely to be hacked. So price is a lot more stable. So that's the only reason why I haven't gone, I guess people that are watching this video will probably be like, why don't you just move all your ADA to INDY? Because you're making so much more in ADA rewards by staking it there. Well, in theory, yes, but the problem is stability, price stability. The price for INDY is all over the place. The price for Cardano fluctuates between a range because it's the native token for a blockchain. Indigo is the native token on Cardano for an individual project. So the price moves all over the place, and the supply is really low. So a lot more volatility, a lot more risk involved, which is why, again, I'm not super risky. I'm not saying that it's a bad play. It could be a great play, but we're only 20%, a little over 20% off of that all-time low, which in the traditional markets, that's a big percentage, but in crypto, very small. That we can get that 20% loss in a couple of days. We can get it in a week, or it can go back the other way. So our position right now is pretty good. We are almost to all-time low where I will be buying more tokens. And if the opposite happens and it shoots up, then I've got about 40 or 50 tokens that I can sell for really big profit. And then we wait for it to retrace back, and then we pick up some more Indigo tokens. So the name of the game right now is not to trade Indigo to make money, but to trade Indigo to lower the average price of our Indigo tokens. So if I have about 120 of our 170 plus tokens are free. So my goal is to accumulate as many tokens as I can before the next bull market, being low cost to myself. So investing little bits of money over time and buying low, selling high, taking the profits in Indigo tokens. That's my plan, and I'm documenting this. So I don't know who would be interested in this, but you guys are watching, you guys are following. I will, as time goes, start to actually like utilize and look at different strategies for Indigo to really entertain the folks that are actually into Indigo and are using it. But for right now, we're really just hedging on the fact that Indigo protocol is a really good application on Cardano. It has a lot of good use case. The tokenomics are amazing and the returns are insane, as you've seen if you've been following this playlist. So make sure you get that playlist. I'll put the link in the description. Make sure you follow the playlist. I'm telling you, the returns on Indigo as a staker have been phenomenal. So in a bull market, this is going to be a game changer. Let's go ahead and take a look at our coin perspective using Indigo, just to give you an idea of what you could be looking at. So let's see, we've got a circulating supply of 3.55 INDY. So we'll look at INDY and we'll set 3.5 million. We've got 179 or 176. 179. We've got 179.66. Our bag currently is worth 262 cents. And just to show you, let me copy this. Boom. 120 of those tokens were free. So $175 have been accumulated by buying low and selling high. And also the airdrop. We got 50 tokens in that airdrop. It may seem like very little amount of money, but it was free because of our trading strategy. And I'm doing this on a small scale. I'm not investing a lot of money. If that's your tolerance, is to put a bunch of money into this stuff, hey, go for it. If it's not, then this is the channel for you, because I'm going to go with small amounts of money. So let's bring back our current bag holding. Let's say we get to 80 bucks in a bull market. That's 55x from here. We're looking at 14,000. Look at the market cap, 284 million. I've seen projects with nothing to offer, with no actual application launched, just promises, get way higher market caps than that in the last bull market. And I mean, with ease. So anything's possible. So I guess I would ask, what are your targets? What do you think the market cap will be max in this current year and in the next bull market? I've got my theories. I think around $100 a token would be, let's just make it even, $100. You got 355 million market cap. It's possible. It could happen. So we're looking at like $20,000 in potential value on that. And what if you were getting your staking? What if you were getting, and there's going to be more users, right? Probably more tokens. We don't know how many more tokens we're going to get to, but the total supply is 35 million, very small amount. So what are we looking at? What are we looking forward to? You're getting, say we're staking way more tokens than that, or say we just stay the same. We're going to accumulate more tokens, but what if we stay the same? You're going to get every 5 days about 2 Indigo tokens, $200. Think about $200 every week. Could you imagine? That's like a paycheck for most Americans. And we're not doing anything. We're just sitting here. That's what I'm playing for. Playing for the future, not playing for now. I don't really care about getting, a couple of INDY tokens. I'm not taking those INDY tokens and swapping them for ADA. I'm keeping them. They're lowering my average cost per token as we accumulate these staking rewards. I'm buying bags at the lowest possible price that we see in a period, and I'm selling them at a price point at like 50%, 100% more when the market goes upward. And then I sell it, then it retraces, I buy it back. Pretty simple to do, but it takes lots of patience. You have to pay attention to this stuff, and it takes willpower because you have to just really control yourself. So I've been doing that, and I've been documenting it. So thank you for checking out this video. I know the Indigo stuff probably isn't as exciting as like my other video series, but I really think that this will pay off. And when it does, I want to be able to look back and see how we got there. And at some point, I would love to start maybe tracking the price of Indigo, but I don't have the ability to do that right now. So when we do, I'm definitely going to be looking at doing that. So thank you for checking out the channel. Hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.